we'll be going over the Zebra BGSD4 diverter cleaning and maintenance. Ensure that both elbow fittings and the oil drain and coolant return are free of buildup. Check under the baffle to ensure there is no buildup. Frequent cleaning is recommended to maintain proper function. Both the oil drain and the coolant return can be adjusted alone or in tandem with two 11/16 wrenches. Always adjust clockwise to ensure the fittings remain tight and the unit does not leak. Thanks for watching. Contact Zebra Skimmers with any other questions.